Deep cleaning on Sony PlayStation 4 Slim. Thank you, ma'am Nicole, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. Aside from desktop and laptop computers, we are always welcoming new gadgets to come to our shop for deep cleaning. The reason for his deep cleaning request is that the unit experiences random shutdown and feels hotter than before. Deep cleaning a PlayStation 4 Slim is a prudent move, especially if the console shows signs of overheating, loud fan noise, or diminished performance. Dust and debris accumulation inside the console can hinder its cooling efficiency and overall functionality by thoroughly cleaning the internal components. You can significantly improve the system's cooling capabilities. This can lead to quieter operation and more consistent performance. Enhanced cooling helps prevent thermal throttling, which can otherwise slow down the console during intense gaming sessions. Regular maintenance, such as deep cleaning, can also extend the lifespan of the PS4 Slim. The PlayStation 4 Slim is a good gadget for playing games, offering access to a vast library of popular titles, including exclusive games like The Last of Us Part 2, God of War, and Spider-Man. It delivers solid performance with impressive graphics and smooth gameplay, making it suitable for both casual and gamers. Its more compact and energy-efficient design compared to the original PS4 makes it easier to fit into entertainment setups and more eco-friendly. In addition to gaming, the PS4 Slim can stream movies and TV shows from services like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney+, making it a versatile entertainment device. Despite the availability of budget computers that can play games, many people choose PlayStation consoles for several reasons. PlayStation consoles offer exclusive games not available on PC, which are major attractions for gamers. PlayStations are designed to be user-friendly, offering a plug-and-play experience without the need for configuring hardware or software settings, unlike PCs. PlayStations provide a relatively affordable entry point into high-quality gaming, with no need for frequent hardware upgrades. They offer robust online multiplayer and social features through PlayStation Network, making it easy to connect and play with friends. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.